guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add a shadow to your stickers on CapCut PC. So to do this, you're just going to grab the sticker, and as you can see, it's very light and it kind of blends with the background just a little bit. So I want to add in a shadow to just bring that sticker to make the color pop a little bit more. So I'm just going to select the sticker underneath that, right click, create compound clip. I'm just going to move this to the side. Go to adjustments, turn down saturation, turn down brightness, turn up contrast, turn down highlight, shadow, and illumination. Okay, once you're done, you're going to then go to video. I'll just scale it up a little bit. So select this, scale it up, and kind of move it either to the right or the left side. It's totally up to you, or like even like this. You're just going to turn down the opacity and you'll have this like shadow here and here and here. And that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!